Your brain is a high-performance machine, and sometimes the best way to fuel it is not by eating, but by not eating. Welcome to the science of intermittent fasting, and how it can sharpen your mind, boost your memory, and help your brain stay younger, longer. Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't just a diet trend. It's a lifestyle pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. And while many use it for weight loss, research shows it also delivers powerful cognitive benefits. Two key processes drive this: the ketogenic effect and autophagy. Let's break down how these help your brain thrive. When you fast, your body switches fuel sources from glucose to ketones. Ketones, especially beta-hydroxybutyrate, are a cleaner, more efficient energy source for neurons. They produce less oxidative stress than sugar, and that's a win for brain health. Ketones also boost mitochondrial function, those little powerhouses inside brain cells. More efficient mitochondria mean better mental clarity, faster thinking, and improved memory. Think of it as upgrading your brain's operating system to something faster and more durable. Next comes autophagy, your brain's internal housekeeping. Fasting triggers this vital process where the body breaks down and recycles old, damaged cells, including in the brain. Autophagy clears out misfolded proteins and dysfunctional mitochondria, things that, when left unchecked, can lead to cognitive decline or neurodegenerative diseases. It's especially active in the hippocampus, the part of the brain tied to memory and learning. Animal studies show fasting enhances autophagy in these brain regions, leading to better memory and increased learning capacity. While more human research is still emerging, the early signs are promising. Here are a few ways to start using intermittent fasting to boost brain function. Try the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours. Eat during an 8-hour window. For example, noon to 8 p.m. Stay hydrated. Drink water, herbal tea, or black coffee while fasting to support brain and metabolic function. Eat smart when you do eat. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, olive oil, and lean protein. Some people also enhance their fasting routine with nootropics or brain-boosting supplements. These compounds can complement fasting's effects by supporting focus, clarity, and mental energy, especially during fasting hours. Here are a few nootropics that work well with intermittent fasting. Citicoline supports brain energy and cognitive performance. L-theanine promotes calm, focused alertness, great during morning fasts. Lion's mane mushroom may support neurogenesis and imaginative thinking. Just make sure you're using non-caloric, fast-friendly supplements if your goal is a clean fast. By tapping into the ketogenic effect and autophagy, intermittent fasting gives your brain exactly what it needs: less inflammation, better energy, and more resilience. Add in the right nootropics, and you've got a science-backed formula for sharper thinking and long-term cognitive health.